What's up, Mr. fucking Desert Dime?
This is gonna be a fun next few videos that you guys are gonna get because we have 2 weekends of King of Hammers ahead of us. I got the fresh rebuild, I got the fresh tires, a lot of things to test out. Oh, dude. Who's taking it? Who's taking it? Try to mob up that hill, then we saw a corn dog stand, and all of us are hungry. We're gonna head back to camp right now, link up with everybody, and then head back out for the shit show tonight. All right, we just pulled up.
Your truck? You roll my windows up?
We just pulled up to the Terra Crew night run, and it looks like some underground street racing shit. We all met in the wash below the bridge. Everybody's posted up, ready to roll out.
It's Fag and the Furious.
Everybody's posted up, headlights off, all sketchy like. But the downside is my battery. This is my second battery run already.
One for you. I have like 5.
Oh, you have more? Oh, bet. Okay, we're good then. Because we got to do this night run, which is supposed to be till 10 o'clock, and then Chocolate Thunder till whenever we want to go back to camp. So it's going to be a fun time. It's going to be a fun night. All right, the word is Terra Crew wasn't here, so everybody just decided to do their own run. That's what we overheard from a group before everybody left. They're like, Terra Crew's not here, so we're all just going on our own run. So I don't know where we're going. Oh, Gian ain't getting stuck behind the slow people tonight, baby. Gion's sending it. Look at this fucking gap that Tundra left. You just closed it. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop.
That was a rough section. Right.
I know. I would love to show you guys this sick ass truck in front of us, but its chase light is so bright. You literally can't see it. Oh, there you go. You got it. You think since he got Montana plates, he's street legal for like Montana street legal and he could drive that in California? Why else would you get Montana plates for that? We honestly have no clue what's going on right now. I mean, Terra Crew's not here. Everybody decided to go on their own night run. I feel like the first half of the group that left is nowhere to be seen now. We're somehow at the front of the pack with a bunch of people behind us, and we don't know, like, our truck does not know where we're going. We're just kind of going straight into the desert with no plan. Why are we following a diesel tow truck? That's what I'm asking.
That just turned around.
Yeah, what if these people are like, dude, why are they all following me? Just trying to go to my camp. There's like a row of 20 trucks. Well, how big? Here, GK, show through the back window. Show the trail behind us.
Oh my God.
Show that trail behind us of how many people are following.
Try it.
Yeah, so we got
Pull down his back window, yeah.
a lot of people. It won't focus.
We just stopped for like a cool 2-3 minutes and we didn't know why, and now we just met up with a whole nother group.
Oh yeah,
is that Terra Crew?
Terra Crew. That's
Oh, okay, well Terra Crew caught up. All right. Integrating with the Terra Crew boys now.
Oh, fucking A, I'm letting all these things go. These guys are cooking, dude.
Yeah, let them cook, bro. Let them go to work.
I said go.
Go. Just a razor.
It's a razor.
Yeah, boy. All right. We're back in business now.
Blind. We are blind.
We need your amber.
I'm blind as a motherfucker.
Turn on your amber. Turn off your whites.
Bro, the ambers are on.
Are they?
Yeah.
Jesus. We turn off your whites then. Maybe they're overpowering them. Oh yeah, that's a little better.
I like how everyone has the same shitty slide.
Kind of cute, kind of stylish.
What? I don't know. I just like them. They're kind of cute. They're kind of stylish.
Gary's missing out.
Wish you were here, bud. We're literally missing you. Like we don't know where you're at.
Really not enjoying this right now.
Bro, how do you think I feel? I'm in the back
I
getting
don't give a fuck.
my butt.
Oh God!
Oh God!
My ass is
Oh God!
railed.
Oh God! Jump! Oh God!
Gian sends her too hard, bud.
Oh God! I'm looking straight down. I'm not.
Why do you sound like a late 30s, early 40-year-old guy losing his virginity? Oh God! Oh God! I'm not enjoying this. Oh God!
Gian, you're holding up the pack, man.
No, I'm not. I'm not holding
Whoa!
up. Shit!
Whoa! Time for the first soda of the night.
Soda.
Yeah, it's time. For video purposes, it's the first soda of the night. Oh god, oh god, oh god.
I'll take it.
That's a weird soda, dude. That's a really weird soda.
A little fizzier than you remember.
Yeah. Sprite really changed their recipe, huh?
Oh, yeah.
He got distance.
Is that the giant motorsports truck? I have a feeling my truck would do this.
That was silent.
Oh my god.
Alright, so we got a few jumps and a few runs on this medium hill apparently. There's a larger hill right where everybody's standing, so we're moving all the rows back so we can get a fatter set.
Yeah, guys, hey, if you're on this side of the line, you gotta go back. This is a line for a landing. We're gonna jump right here. So if you have your vehicles, move them back. It's all good. It'll be a cool landing when we land in the front.
Alrighty boys, it was fun while it lasted. We watched some trucks jump, but we're gonna go to Chocolate Thunder right now because we gotta keep the night rolling. We gotta keep the good times rolling, right boys? Woo! Good soda. We took a little adventure into a bush field and we've been in here for the past 10 minutes trying to get out.
Oh god.
We're just trying to get to Chocolate Thunder. We're literally, oh my god, dude, don't get stuck out here. We literally have nobody to come get us.
Get out and push him real quick before we do that?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, let's do that.
Alright, you're on commentary duty. The camera's with you. I lied, I'm taking the camera. I gotta show them this. Hey, you're a little buried. Just a tad. Just a little bit.
Too deep.
This actually is a lot softer than it looked.
Oh my god.
Oh, wow. He's got the little Max Trax pads. Why don't we just bust them hoes out?
Dude, there's no one around there. Dude, I don't know if bush or what.
You're probably gonna fuck the bus.
I've never used these things.
What do we need?
I swear you guys jinxed me. GK was like, oh, don't get stuck.
That was me. I'm taking credit for that one, Chief. I'm like, don't get stuck right here.
Don't want to zip.
Are these their first use?
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
I was like, oh.
Oh, hey. He did the same thing we did. You're not alone. Ain't no shot they just leave after I said wait for us? Whoa, 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 whoa. Slowly. It's smooth. He chewed all the nubs off.
The other way.
Why can't we just use the post gun?
I don't know. I guess we can.
Why are you like still stuck?
Just stop being stuck, dude.
I like how you're smiling too. This is
Just unstuck yourself. Ooh! You're dirty. Dude, you can see where his whole gas tank was sitting, his frame was sitting, his back tires were sitting. Oh my god, dude, look at
the Max Track. Where is it?
Is it under the ground? Pull it out.
Alright, let's get out of here. Move through.
Yeah, you
gotta
go back. It gets
God.
worse over there.
Okay, thank you.
What the fuck?
It's in there, dude.
Oh my.
Alright, we'll see everybody over there heading out.
Oh my god, it's all the way
We need to
down.
go that way. So let's head back out.
It's like a treasure hunt.
Oh,
There you go.
that one's bent.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. On the road again. I can't wait to get back on the road again. Oh. We made it! We made it out! This camera truly can't show how dusty it is out there. It shows lights a lot better on here, but like we can't see his truck at all. We just see the two lights. There's a faint. Dude, it's time for some Mad Max type shit. Hill is full already. It's only what, 9 o'clock? Dude, you know it's full and everybody's parking at the bottom like this. Like, we're not even at the base of the hill yet, and there's already just rows and rows of vehicles.
Yeah,
oh, bro, no shot you get pulled over right in front of us, right? We're not doing that right now? We're not doing that tonight?
What would you get pulled over for?
Roll down your window. I want to see if we can hear them. He's got a gun! Bob! Wait, oh shit, there's one behind you too. Bro, both of them. They got 2 sets of Rangers on them.
You looked at me.
Oh god, he's looking at us.
How the fuck did he get pulled over?
That's what I'm wondering.
Why is he in the middle of the lane?
Over for?
Oh, bro. Getting ripped a new one right now. They got Paul Blart Desert Cop over there.
They said pull.
Yeah, hold on. I just got to grab a few beers. Oh, we finally made it. We crossed over, walked up the track, and now we're rock climbing right now. Trying to make our way up to the hillside where all the people are so we can watch all the mess. This is so much more climbing than I thought. This is literally vertical. This is a vertical hill. Oh. Dude, if you look back down, look at these people crawling up. It's a straight climb. All right, we're gonna make it up, boys. Trust. We're gonna make it up, and we're gonna have a great reward once we get to the top. Oh my God, we fucking made it. We made it. And as promised, there's gonna be a nice reward waiting at the top.
Ah, no!
The thing I feel bad about the most is how much harassment these people get from the audience. These guys are putting on a show for us and the whole audience is just harassing them. Did you air down? Hey, do you want to be here? It's like, bro, he's just trying to climb this insanely steep hill and you're yelling at the dude. Let him crawl. Let him do his work. Just like that. What an animal. Mid-climb, he hops out, climbs into his engine bay because there's no hood, fixes something, and hops back in. And then he's going to keep going. Oh! He's going to roll. He's going to roll. Oh, look at that guy's flashlight. Jeez. Oh, there we go. Oh! Here comes the rescue team.
Dude, that guy's gonna roll.
I feel like as soon as I stop recording, he's gonna roll and I'm gonna be so sad. Someone threw a smoke grenade down there. Watching the fireworks.
What did he do?
Yeah, no one help him. He's fine. Just landed on his spine on a rock. Bro, I look away for 2 minutes because of fireworks. He's still going for it too.
This is what a lot of beer does.
Ooh, it's like Disneyland, but no mouse trying to touch you. Oh my God, he is going again. Wait, did he roll from that hill all the way down? Oh shit, I thought he was just on those rocks and he tipped over. He said, it's okay, I got the warranty. Oh, dude. because, you know, fuck a helmet, right? That's a suggestion. He's riding that thing like a tractor.
He's riding a giant quad.
Yeah, he's riding a giant quad. How's this passenger not shitting his pants right now? Like he's just chilling there, straight face. Ooh. Bro, it's gotta be so sketchy reversing down this steep of an incline. Oh no, he's getting pressed from behind now. Is he gonna pass him on the outside line? Ooh. Ooh. Oh, buddy. This dude said, fuck that, I'm not gonna be here.